So here we are, you guys. We're about 5 to 7 inches right there. We're right there, 5 to 7 inches, right? Strong southwest wind, 35 plus miles an hour, heavy snow, rates at 1 inch per hour on Friday. Lull in winds and snowfall Friday evening, but light wintry mix is possible. Blowing and drifting snow Friday and Saturday with strong 40 to 50 mile an hour northwest winds. You guys, that's dangerous. That's bad. So, you guys, it's a storm. It's a storm. Let's go back here. Okay. Let's look at the radar here, because right now it's 10 degrees. Okay, where are we at? Okay, we're somewhere around here, you guys. So we're right in the heart of it right now. We're gonna, yep, we are definitely gonna be in the heart of it. So that's what it looks like. Big storm, big storm. All right, boys, time to fill up. All right, guys, so it's about 10 a.m. in the morning here, and filling up, getting some diesel in this, number one. It's about 40-50 cents more, you guys, for number one diesel. It's crazy. All right, guys, so $96.68, 28.44 gallons. Got our fuel paid for, boys. Got my drink. And the snow is coming down good. Coming down good. I get nervous, you guys. I get nervous. I get anxious. I get... you still worry about things, you know. I've been doing this for 12 years. Let's see, this is our 10th or 11th season, you guys. I still do get nervous and anxious. Oh man, you can't even see, boys. The wind. Oh man, let me crank this heat up so it's on the thing. You guys, the wind is blowing real bad right now, and I'm up here on the highway and industrial, and you just can't see nothing, you guys. It's just once I get in town or just past this highway, I'll show you guys. All right, guys, we probably got about half an inch or so, close to an inch. I bet you anything, we do have close to an inch. All right, guys, so the Denali won't start. Michael just called here. You put number one in there? Fuel? Yep. Where's the keys? It won't even crank?
It just started yesterday too, so I don't know.
Yeah.
Sucko tried jumping me, but he couldn't get it going. I don't know.
He couldn't even jump?
That one might not have enough power though, that Explorer.
You got jumpers?
Yeah.
Let me pull my truck up. Guys, of course it has to happen while it's snowing, you know, while we need it. down. We got probably like 2 inches already of snow. Is there some battery loose? There's another, should be another battery on that other side.
That one might be the one we need to hook up to actually.
What I'll do, Michael, in a little bit here, I'll go in there and step on the fuel a little bit, get the battery charged. Alright guys, we're gonna go get new batteries for that truck. It's trying to crank, but it won't. I'm hoping the diesel didn't freeze up in there. So we are taking out the battery here and going to pick another one up. It's about 150 bucks. Yeah, they got one down there. Hopefully that's all it is. Should be if it's got enough cranking power.
Should be.
The hardest part is getting the battery out. Jeez, can't make that thing any easier. There we go. Guys, before we put all the covers and stuff back on, we're gonna try it and see, make sure it works. Battery. Like I said, the hardest part is just the battery, guys. Jeez. All right, guys. It is about 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. A little bit after 1 p.m. You guys, I think we got at least 3-4 inches already, and I've been hitting a couple of counts, but I think about a few more hours we're gonna go out and do our first run. It's yeah, it's bad. You guys get the machine fixed?
It wasn't broken.
What happened?
It's just
how they digitize.
All right, guys, we are gonna be rocking and rolling. Go ahead, Emily, you hop in that truck. Wind's gonna kick in. He's got the skid, or if you want to, whichever one you want. Hop in. We gotta get the S70 out here. Whew. Alright, man, we gotta get to work. Alright guys, round one. Alright guys, so we are here on location. I'm gonna give the walkie-talkie to Ash, or walkie-talkie to Emily, and give one to Mike. Michael, I gotta run back down to the office here, boys. It is. So we got probably 6-7 inches here. Well, just piled up here. I gotta go back down to the embroidery shop. Got purchasing something, you guys. Something. We got stuff. I gotta do some stuff down there before I come back up here. So. Got that on 4-wheel?
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna give one to Michael.
Oh, nice.
So you
Is
and
this
Michael,
on?
yeah. You and Michael can communicate,
Okay.
and then I gotta go back down to the shop quick.
When I got here, there was some dude stuck in,
jeez.
like, right in the middle of the frickin' thing, dude.
How do you get out? Just
I told them, I'm like, look out, I'll plow beside you guys. And
yeah, you got
they
out.
got, oh,
Yeah.
God. It's a
Okay.
mess.
I know.
All
It is.
right.
Alright guys, alright, so Michael's coming up with the S70. Here he is. I'm gonna give him the other walkie-talkie. Him and Emily can communicate while I'm gone. I'm gonna come back up and help him shovel and stuff. So, hey, can you hear me?
Yep.
Awesome. You can communicate back and forth with Emily on here. So it's, yeah, just leave it on. I gotta run back to the shop and sign some papers. I'll leave the shovels here. Alright guys, Michael's getting it done, getting her clean. This is, like I said, it's gonna be our first run. We'll be back later on. Alright guys, the drifts are just big here, very big. On the entrances we can't get the blower in there because there's nowhere to blow the drifts, so you gotta shovel it. So here's what I'm doing, going through each entrances,
Unknown caller.
getting them shoveled. Dig my way in, boys. Snow stopped falling, guys, but it's gonna kick back on here in about 2 hours. It's getting a little bit. Like I said, we'll have to be out in here tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Once the wind dies down, Sunday probably. Today's Friday. Been doing this apartment complex or townhome for like 8 years, 9 years, guys. We lost it once, but we got it back. So you can see Michael got all the main entrances here. Guys, it's deep. Let's go check, see how everybody's doing here. You getting it? Dude, it's heavy.
Oh god. There's a lot of snow, dude.
I know. Tell me about it. It's easier to scoop the front, like get the front, and work your way back. That's too big of a shovel. Did you get some footage?
I did a little, but I don't have a tripod or anything, so